Hi, what's up guys? So it's another beautiful Saturday afternoon and I'm done with my chores for the day and it's time for my skincare. So in my previous video on IG, when I talked about different types or days of skincare, I talked about the lazy day, like when you're really feeling lazy and you just have to do something about your face, and then there's the busy day when you are very busy and then you just have to rush things up. Then there's the daily routine. So today is regular, or would I say premium skincare day. Like, these are stuff I came up with, right? Because this is my experience, okay? It's my own story. So today I have time on my hands and I'm going to go all the way with my skincare today. Everybody freaking street. Yeah, I'm jumping. So I'll be showing you the products I'll be using. First of all, I'll be starting out with my DIY black soap, which I did some months back. I'll also drop a link. This is the second cup. I finished the first cup. So I use this thing here, and this spatula is from shaving cream. But I'm done with it, so I just use it to do this. And then I have the tea tree face wash. I use this for my daily routine, like when I come back from work and I want to wash off makeup. This is mostly what I use. But then today I'm just going to use, usually on Saturdays I use my bentonite clay mask, but today I'm not going in with bentonite clay mask. So it's getting dark, so I don't know how my lighting will be by the time I'm ready to apply some of these things. That's why I'm showing you the products right now. Okay, let me start with the steps. I'm going in with my DIY black soap, which I made some months back. I can leave the link below. It's not bleaching soap. I don't do bleaching. I only do skin maintenance, color maintenance. So it's for the people that make soap. They call it caramel. Like, this is the soap that is for light skin people that don't really want to kind of go overboard with the lightening. You just want to maintain your skin tone. And then I'm going to use this black soap, black peel-off mask, charcoal peel-off mask from Dr. Rashel. And I'll be finishing up with this. No, not finishing up. I'll be going in next with this facial mask from Beauty Formulas. Is the Australian Tea Tree Deep Cleansing Facial Mask. After that, I'm going to use this Carotone cream. This face cream is what helps me with my blemishes. It just takes a couple of weeks though, then they will go off. So I'm going to go in with this Carotone. It's everywhere. It's 350 naira. I resorted, someone recommended it. I was like, please, I don't want anything bleaching, blah, blah. And initially when I used it, I noticed my face was getting brighter than the rest of my skin. But then I noticed that since I started using this, my black soap, with it, everything just evens out. As you can see, there's no discoloration. My skin tone blends out quite well. And I use it only for my face. I don't use it for my skin. Then this is the DIY I showed in my previous video, orange oil. So I'm just going to go in with the moisturizer first and then finish off with the oil. So today is a full day routine.
Game time.
Steady collect, 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 steady.
Yeah, steady collect, yeah. All my niggas hit the flex, all my niggas drip finesse, yeah. Groupies turning into past, no time to crash, we chase the cash, yeah. Hustle to the max, yeah. No one wants to take last, and I say this to a fact, yeah. Protect for me, on my left wrist, man, I'm rich, yeah. AP on the right, man, it's the way I catch my trips, I'm up where I'm from, you know if you make on we legit. Everybody freaking street, yeah, I'm Jumpman with the kicks, ooh, tell me who run this shit. If it my side hoes rich, nigga, we ball legit. Sunday as
I'm washing, so I'll go in with the face mask today. And I would like to say, please, if you're doing this, I steamed my face with towel. I didn't do the whole putting my face in the steam thing. I didn't have time for that. Yeah, I know I said I had time.
We got balls and they too thick. We got balls and they too thick. Yeah.
Ooh, young man in a rain. Gucci came with some snakes. Motivated by the pain. Yeah. Now I'm trapping it.
If you're going to do this, avoid areas where you have hair. After my first experience, I almost pulled out my edges, so I had to use water to get them off. So today I tried to avoid it. So I decided to use this face mask before going in with the tea tree. I want this to kind of really open up my pores, since I didn't really do my manual exfoliation process. So I want this to really open up my pores before I apply the tea tree mask. That's why I'm doing this process. I don't know if it's necessary, but you know, like they say, some of us are extra.
Rain, yeah, yeah, yeah. Steady trapping in the rain, nah, yeah, yeah. Trapping in the rain, 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 trapping in the.
Okay, so now that I'm done with that, now I'm going in with this. So this is the Australian Tea Tree Deep Cleansing Facial Mask by Beauty Formulas. So let's put it on. I especially got this brush for my mask application. The thing is, I'll just be very honest with you guys, like I love skincare, and but like I'm not a science student, right? I don't really know all the ingredients in anything tea tree though. So, but I know that it's great for oily skin because after if you see my face 2 years ago, I was just doing everything wrong, including using black soap. My face was horrible. Oh my god. Huh. So I did my research. Tea tree is one of the best ingredients for acne prone skin. I think if possible almost all skin types. But this particular mask, it has this soothing effect. Seriously, like the black mask just really opened up my pores. Like it was really the goal of using both of them. And as for this brush, I see how, because I think why I was inspired to get it is oh god, I've forgotten this influencer I follow, Nicole Conconnelly. She does this skincare series. So although she uses this spatula, but then I prefer the brush. But I think spatula will also preserve your product. Brushes would, like, no, there's a lot I'll wash off by the time I'm done. So right now I'm going to go down with the mask. And the reason for also using a tool like a brush or a spatula, it really helps you spread out the mask very well. Now I can go in a little bit to my edges because it's a little bit part of my face, and I get to wash this off. Tea tree doesn't really have lightening effects per se, but helps with a clip is now with deep cleansing properties. I agree with that. To draw out impurities, unblock pores, exactly. Absorb and remove excess oil, true, grease and dirt. See, leave skin feeling clean and fresh. So with the process I've gone through already, I know that I'm definitely going to have this results, guys. So the last step is remaining, going in with my face moisturizer and oil. Okay guys, stay tuned. I'll just still go and do another thing. Basically, I always have stuff I'm doing so that like I don't just sit down and wait for my mask to dry. So I'm just going to go and get busy and then wait for the mask to dry. When I come off, I'll probably wash off screen before coming on set. Okay guys, so it's a little bit dark, so my lighting definitely has changed. Of course now I'm using artificial light. Okay, so I have washed off my mask after about maybe like 20 minutes or 30. Well, I don't know, like as long as you can wear it. But like for this particular tea tree mask, I don't wear it more than once. The cooling effect wears off and I feel my face is dry, I wash it off. Okay, now so I'm going in with this Carotone Spot-corrector.
Make the money rain, trapping in the 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 rain, trapping in the.
Game time.
Steady collect, steady collect, steady collect.
Okay guys, so that is my Saturday relaxed skincare routine where I have time to go in with all the process. So you can watch my other videos on IGTV and see what I've got going on. And like I said, I will keep you posted if I change my routine or if I receive or I buy any new skincare products. I'll keep you posted. So if you have questions based on your skincare type or anything that is a problem for your skin, please leave it in the comments so I can tell you what I know, and then you can also do your research based on maybe the information I provide. You know, it's always good to have plenty makeup product, but the truth is it doesn't beat having a great skin. Being able to wear your skin and go out without feeling ugly, deformed, you know, ashamed, whatever it is, you know, it's always good, you know, to be able to wear your face, you know, feeling good about yourself. So skincare is very, very essential. Seriously, it's not just about not having acne and all that, but like seriously, we should be healthy, and part of being healthy is having a great skin, guys. So that'll be all for now. Thank you so much for sticking around. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to also follow me on Instagram at Winningstar, Facebook at Winningstar, Twitter at Daldili. And that will be all for now. Ciao. Okay.
Rabo sauce and get posts on social media. Men not the money on your daily. It's even meaning. What to boss alene.
Steady collect, steady collect, steady collect, steady collect, yeah, steady collect, steady collect, steady collect.